Hi mixers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be making chocolate pretzel brownies. So to get started, we're going to add in 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter into a large microwavable bowl, and then add half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. Then add in 1/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Whoa, why are we going so fast? Add a pinch of salt and then put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute or until your butter is completely melted, and then your mixture should look like this. I know it looks really clumpy and gross, but that's how it's supposed to look. For those of you guys who actually like to measure, add in a half teaspoon of vanilla extract and then mix it all up. Okay, so this is gonna sound really weird, but I've gotten a couple requests to show how to crack an egg with one hand, and mind you, I'm still a beginner. I just recently learned how to do this, but I thought it was cool anyways. So you basically hold the egg like I'm showing you right here, and then you spread your 2 fingers apart, kind of in so practice that without the egg. It's kind of like scissors, like the scissors motion that you would do, but yeah, so watch me crack it, put your thumb in that hole, and then use your 2 fingers to spread it apart. I promise it's not going to be as pretty as you think, and there are definitely going to be pieces of the shell in there, as you can see. And I told you I'm still a beginner too, so I'm still learning how to do this, and plus the pressure of the camera was really daunting. But anyways, if there is shell, just get your hands a little wet, and then it's easier to pick the shell out, as I'm doing in this clip. And I was also taking the yolk for a spin over here at the end, trying to check if there were any other pieces of shell in there, because we don't want to, well, we do want a crunch, but we don't want a protein-filled crunch in our brownies. So I blooped my yolk into my batter and just mix it all around until it is incorporated, but make sure not to overmix. This batter is super heavy and thick, and that's fine. Don't add any milk or any of that. Resist the urge, you guys. But anyways, we're gonna add in 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour and then mix again, but make sure not to overmix. That's how you get dense brownies, and we do not want dense brownies. So the most important part of this recipe is the pretzels, of course. So take about half a cup of chopped pretzels and put that into your batter. So I use chocolate covered pretzel rods, but plain pretzels work, or even just chocolate pretzels shaped the other way around is fine too. But yeah, just chop them and slowly stir them into your mixture, which should be really thick by now. So as it should say in the title, this is a small batch recipe, so I'm using a 4.5 inch Pyrex bowl container, I don't know, and I greased it and I put my batter in there. But if you want to double this and put it in an 8-inch pan or 9-inch pan, that would be ideal. When do we ever do what's ideal around here? If you're new to my channel, welcome, but if you're not, you know what's been going on. Anyways, sprinkle a couple of chocolate chips at the top just for looks or even for taste, and then add some sea salt, flaky sea salt. Do you guys know that one TikToker that's obsessed with flaky sea salt? Yeah, anyways, cool. So we're gonna put it in our oven for 25 minutes, and mine took a little bit longer. They took about 27 minutes, but just make sure that you stick a toothpick in, and crumbs should come, but not wet batter. So once it is out of the oven, and yes, I have magic superpowers, I took it out of the oven with my bare hands. Yeah, once it's cooled, just cut it into squares like I did, and there you go. I have a couple brownie recipes out there, and I think the crinkly tops is one of my signature things. I love crinkly tops. They are gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please make sure to subscribe, and comment. Just comment, you know the drill. And I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe, and good luck on finals if you have them. And I will see you guys in my next video, which should be a really fun one. So if you stuck around to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, mixers.